career, and things just start happening. And then you're put in this situation where the team needs you, and this performance happens through you, and you're like how? And that's when you kind of understand. Okay, this is the amount of hard work, and then you arrive to the ground, and then whatever has to take place will take place. The preparation is in my hands. The results are not in my hands, and I just have to stay true to my instinct. If I have to hit the ball, I have to hit the ball. That is my only responsibility. Where that ball goes, how the execution will happen, because there are other people involved as well. We tend to forget this, and I've consciously tried to be aware of this through my career, that when in my position, everyone wants me to do well, but there are so many. So there is no preference here. There is no